Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a brand new set of Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs to share with you. This is my second collection of Valentine's crafts. So if you missed my first video, I'll be leaving the link down below in the description box. Today's projects are super easy, budget friendly, and perfect for celebrating Valentine's Day. But before we get started, if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and join our creative community. And now let's get started with our first project. I think these plates are new to my Dollar Tree. I saw it and I said I am going to be crafting with it. I turned it around and I'm going to be giving it 3 different coats with white chalk paint. Then once it's completely painted, I'm going to put it to the side and I am going to be coming in with this frame. It's made out of wood. I'm going to cover the entire frame with Mod Podge. I also have some gold leaves and I'm going to be placing it on the entire frame. Later on, once I wait several minutes, I come in with a brush and I start wiping away all the excess leaf. I also have this wood heart. I'm going to also do the same thing. A lot of Mod Podge and then I'm going to put some of that gold leaf on top. After waiting several minutes, I am coming, like I said before, with a paintbrush and I'm going to be taking away all the excess gold leaf. As I was cleaning this up, most of the leaf came out of the frame and that's exactly the look that I was looking for. But on the heart, I want to make sure that the heart is completely covered with that gold leaf. And of course, the excess leaf, I'm putting it into any type of container that you might have available and you could use that for a different project. In my case, I just turned the plate around and we're going to do the same process. Mod Podge and the gold leaf wherever you feel that it's going to look nice. And then I have these disco tiles. I am going to be cutting strings of it. They are self-adhesive, so I am just going to start placing them around the border of the plate. This is going to turn out absolutely gorgeous. And look at how gorgeous this turned out. Now let's go ahead and proceed to the next step. Look at how gorgeous this is going to turn out. Oh my God, I'm like out of breath. Lots of hot glue because that's what we do in this channel. I'm going to be placing it around this frame. And then of course, I'm going to be adhering it to the plate. And I'm going to be doing the same thing also to the heart. Plenty of hot glue, and that one I'm going to be placing it right in the middle. And look at how absolutely gorgeous this looks. This is definitely going up in my wall, or because you decorated also the back section, you can put it in a stand, in a coffee table or whatnot. I turned it around and I am going to be creating the hook in case I want to display it on my wall. And this will be it for this beautiful project. I am hoping that you have enjoyed it, and this is definitely my style. This is nice and glamorous. I hope you enjoy it. I found this piece of wood in the bottom of my stash. Don't ask me where it came from because I have no idea. I took it. I'm going to be giving it 1 coat with white chalk paint and I'm going to be painting the entire piece front and back. Several months ago, I went to Temu and I purchased some doorknobs and I did not know what to do with them at the time. But now I took 4 of them and I am going to be using them as legs. These look so beautiful and glamorous. I am loving this little riser. And look at how beautiful this looks. Isn't this gorgeous? I purchased these little knobs, but they were so tiny that I decided not to use it for what I was going to use it. But I said, hey, I can always craft with them. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to be using some more Mod Podge. And I'm going to be placing it on both corners and using some more of that gold leaf. I'll be doing that to both corners. And I'm going to be doing exactly the same process. Once I waited several minutes, then I came in with a brush and I started brushing off all the excess leaf. Today's video is part of an open collaboration and I am so honored to be part of it. It is being hosted by Brenda, Rusk and Lacey DIY along with Krista Crafting Life. I'm going to be leaving their links directly down in my description box along with a playlist for your convenience. Please let them know that I sent you. And of course, we are crafting for Valentine's. And if you have not subscribed to our channels, please make sure to give us a lot of love and support our channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking. And here it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and brush all the excess off. And then we have a beautiful riser, nice and glamorous. And I am going to be using this in my home because this is absolutely my style. Let me know in the comment section how you would decorate this absolutely elegant piece. For this third project, this frame, I'm not sure where I got it, but I did get it from the bottom of my stash. I'm taking it apart and I am going to be giving it 3 entire coats with white chalk paint. Then I came in with some Mod Podge, and of course I'm going to be adding more of that gold leaf. This one is absolutely stunning. Stay to the end because you are going to absolutely love it. Once I placed the gold leaf wherever I thought it would look nice, then I'm going to come back with the brush and I am going to be wiping all the excess off. Once I do that, then of course I'm going to be putting the frame back together. And then once done, I'm going to put it to the side so I can continue with my next step. And these 2 double heart, I'm going to do the same process, Mod Podge, and then once it's nice and covered, then I have the gold leaf, which I am going to be doing the same exact process. The frame is all put together and now let's go ahead and glue these hearts right inside of the frame. This looks absolutely gorgeous. My dear friends, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget that big thumbs up. It does help my channel. The playlist is also down below for your convenience. Don't forget that once you finish watching this video, jump into the playlist for more inspiration. And my dear friends, it is your time to vote. Let me know which of these 3 projects you like so far. I'm gonna be recycling these mason jars and I'm gonna go ahead and use the khaki color and white chalk paint. I'm gonna be doing half in khaki, half in white, giving it that ombre look. And for those that don't know my little girl, her name is Diva, and as you can tell, she always has to be front and center, and she is my inspector. So I took the brush with white paint and I'm going to do what I'm doing right now. I'm dabbing between both of the colors and look at how it looks. This is pretty. So now I have this beautiful ribbon from Dollar Tree and I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right by the neck. Later on with the same ribbon, I'm gonna go ahead and create a beautiful bow and glue it right in front with some hot glue. And now for the final touch, I have this baker's twine. I'm gonna go ahead and double knot it right here on front, and with the loose ends I'm gonna go ahead and glue the key on one end and then the heart on the other. Just keep watching and this will all make sense. And this is the way it came out. I'm going to show you the final review in a second, but now let's go ahead and do the second mason jar. But this one I'm going to do the cream color on top and then the white in the bottom. And we are almost done. I am so happy with these DIYs. I don't have a favorite. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. And now I have also this little heart. They came 5 in a package this year from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take this skewer stick and I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue it right here. And then once that is done, I'm coming in with some yellow flowers, and this is it for this beautiful DIY. Don't forget to leave me in the comment section which is your favorite, and if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as part of my community. Be blessed, and I will see you in my next video.